Sean Brown Plumbing and Heating was established in November 2003. After working with a local company for just under 10 years, I felt that I could offer a more personal and professional service. My company carries out all aspects of plumbing and heating works, including heating installations, servicing and repair, bathroom design and installation. All work is carried out by professional tradesmen to the highest of standards, and all work comes fully guaranteed. I have built the business mainly on word of mouth recommendations, which is something I am very proud of. Thanks for watching. If you require any further information, please call on 07739 151505.